Hi guys, I'm Haren Tali. Right now I'm standing near my fishery here. Over there, there is a lot of fishes, but water is too low. Nowadays, no water in my fishery due to uh, lack of rain. But what to do, guys? Fish are crying for water. Seeing their beyond over there, there is my goatry. There is a lot of goatries in my farm. Like there is a two type of breed. One is battle breed and another is a local one. But it's all are looking like similar nowadays only because of not available grasses here. So I cannot provide them well grass because everywhere done their cultivation like a paddy field and like a black groundnut. So nowadays it is very difficult to be make them free because everywhere in done they are cultivating. So that's all our goatries by me only. These all are my goatries grazing field here. There is a 2 or 3 trees only and some bamboo plantation also there looking beyond there. Look this, my grazing field is already damaged. All the grasses are going to die due to lack of water here nowadays, so that God has not getting to their available food, grass for food, so that all the goatries are looking thin. Earlier it was so big and so fat, but nowadays since from 1 month it's already going to be damaged due to only because of lack of grasses. Look over here. It's all are my goatries. Now I'm going to be show you one interesting goatry. That goat name is, especially that goat breed name is Beetle. Beetle is in comparison of Punjab. Here is too small, but supposed to be in Punjab it is up to 80 kg, 90 kg. It's up to 1 quintal. But here it is difficult to reach 20 kg also. Like this one. This one is my beetle goat. It's too thin nowadays due to lack of grasses over here in my grazing field. Look here, no grass, no grasses. So what to be eat by them only? You just imagine how they will be become fat. This is the beetle goat. This one is also beetle, but it's look like a local. But its breed is beetle only. Since from 1 week I never stood up before in front of the screen, but after a long time today I'm coming to do a vlog, and because today I'm getting time. And earlier I was busy with the shooting and doing some official work at our circle, like administrative of Lekang Circle. There is a going to be applied like guava plantation, arcanut plantation. Government has offered us to the subsidy approximately amount of 7 lakh 8 lakh something. So that I was visiting to apply for that one. I am applying the plantation of guava, horticulture guava. So the government and subsidy will be 45% and 55% have to be refunded by me. This is our fishery. Fishery is already going to be damaged due to lack of water, no water. Then how fish can alive here, over here, or what to do, friend? Now I am feeling very sad. Why, because no water, and I will be lost, too much lost, because if it is no water, then fish will obviously die within a year, within a 1 week. After 1 week, it is a chance to be totally empty for this fishery water. Look here. Everything is going to be worse condition nowadays. Fishery also going to be worse condition because of lack of water, and gutters are also going to be worse condition. It is looking like a so thin only because of no grasses over my grazing field. So it is the main problem for me nowadays. Guys, please, if you have alternative idea, then please tell me, because I am feeling so sorrow nowadays. I have no any other option nowadays, so I am feeling so sad, and nowadays I am not going to be take food even not well also, because if my fishes, if my gutters are not able to get their food very well, then how can I, as a owner, how can I take food well? So in this condition, I am becoming nowadays too thin also. You'll just look my eye. My eyebrow is going to be under, and I'm looking also like sadness face. So guys, please do help me something. If you have knowledge, then call me. I will be give you the number on this screen. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new in this channel, because I will carry for you to the latest idea in future. So if you click the bell icon, then you will get easily for further notification. Thank you. I have a one caretaker of my gutter. His name is Mangla Mura from Dunuma. Right now he is cleaning the road over here. Hello Nana. কেনেকা আছে?
ভালে আছে।
ভাল আছে? কি করতে? রাস্তা সাফা করতে? হই হই। আরে বকরি গুলা কিরকম আহে আজকাল?
বকরি গুলা
ঠিকই আহে। ওইদিকে এখন গ্রাসে নাই, কি খাইক লাগে, খাইগে নাই পাওতে। এরকম হলে কি হবে নানা? এরকম হলে কি হবে?
কি হবে पत्थर में तो घास नहीं खे।
पत्थर में घास नहीं खे और पुखरी में पानी नहीं खे।
पुखरी में भी पानी ना खे।
माछ गिला मरो थे,
मर जाते।
किरकम वाले किरकम होई ने
हाँ
ने ना
हाँ
किरकम वाले की होई लगी
की हो यारो बखनो बिना जैसे
होई ने
हाँ